Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. And welcome back to the channel guys. Hope everybody is good and well. In today's episode you're going to see me transform these tired old headlights into a new condition, because these headlights totally spoilt the look of this car. So let's bring them back. So first off, make sure that the light is clean, and also bit of masking tape just round the outside so you don't sand the edges of your bumper, your wing or your bonnet. So to start off this resurrection of these tired old headlights, we're going to go with a 600 wet and dry with a little bit of water and a little bit of washing up liquid in a squirty bottle, just to provide enough lubrication. And just for your information on this video guys, all the footage showing sanding has been sped up. It is twice the speed. I am not that fast in reality. So now we finished with the 600 grit. It's time to wipe off, and we go again with the 800 grit, again wet and dry. And what you will notice guys is every time you go up a grade in the sandpaper, the headlights will start getting clearer and clearer. So now we finish with the 800 wet and dry. We're going to the 1000 wet and dry. I don't know what it is about headlights, but I find it so relaxing, so therapeutic, and the results are like night and day. Guys, if you've ever tackled a set of headlights, let me know how you got on. Did you do anything different? Did you go up to a finer grade, to a 3000 grit maybe? Or did you start at a lower grade like 500 or 400? So I'd like to know your comments down below, please guys. Now it's time for the 1200 wet and dry. And if you're wondering where the masking tape has gone guys, obviously mixing masking tape with water, it's not going to hang about on the car very long. So it was looking tired, so I took it off. So as you'll see, now we're sanding down with the 1500 grit. But guys, I didn't want to fill this video up with just sanding, so I did go to a 2000 grit and a 2500 grit. That's why you'll notice there is a slight difference in the headlights from this to that. So now we finished sanding, we're going to start bringing these headlights back to life. And we're going to start off with soft 99s cutting compound. So after the cutting's been done, we're on to the polishing compound. This is really good stuff. I do rate these compounds. I've just used these for headlights only. I think they do a fantastic job. So now we're on to the finishing compound, and guys, you would agree, you can really see these lights coming back to life now. The shine is superb. Really, really happy with how these headlights turned out. And there they are, guys. What do you think? A massive difference between what we did have compared to what we have now. I am super happy with these lights. That was one of the things that was letting this car down. So guys, please leave your comments down below. What do you think? And as always, guys, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.